Hi, and welcome to the final section with personal watercraft Dolly 36 and winch kit assembly. Today we're going to cover the optional accessory item, which is a caster wheel for the tongue section on the winch kit. When you order that, you'll receive this. You'll get a wheel, caster housing, stainless steel tubular, and you'll get this special bushing, UHMW bushing. And to install, we just simply drop this bushing down through the hole in the straight tongue section. And then we make sure that the washer is on the stud. And coming up from the bottom, feed through the hole the other washer and the nylock nut, and we'll tighten this so that it just meets the right. And that's all you have. Next we'll show mating this to the dolly. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.